Hello friends, my name is Chetan VADHADIYA and after so many days I am with you guys. Actually I was a little bit busy and right now again on demand of my student I have started making videos for you, and they were having doubt in solving prove that type of questions in trigonometry, so I thought to share that type of questions to you and how you can go from basic to difficulty level in that type of prove that type of questions. So let us start without wasting much time, guys. This is for class 10th, chapter number 8, introduction of trigonometry, prove that type of questions. So what actually you need to understand first before starting prove that type of question? First you should know all the relationship between the ratios and all the identities. If you know that, then you can easily solve all the questions. So let us start. First of all, the relationship between different ratios. Sine theta, the relation of this ratio with cosec, we know it's a reciprocal, sine's reciprocal, so we can write down cosine theta is equals to cosec theta, or you can also write down cosec theta is equals to 1 by sine theta. So reciprocal is there, that's why sine theta equals to 1 by cosec theta, and cosec theta is equals to 1 by sine theta. Cos theta equals to 1 by sec theta, and sec theta is equals to 1 by cos theta. These are the relationship between different ratios that you need to understand first of all. Then tan theta can be written as, or that is equals to 1 by cot theta, or you can also say tan theta is equals to sine theta by cos theta. And similarly cot theta equals to 1 by tan theta, or also you can say cos theta by sine theta. So these are the relationship. First of all, you should know all the relationship and you should know all the identities. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. This is your identity number 1. Second identity, 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta. And third identity, that is 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta. This all identities you should know, this all the ratio or the relationship between the ratios, everything you should know. If you know this properly, then we can go towards that question. Now you can convert this, actually from this we get another 6, like this. Sin square theta can be written as, if I take plus cos square theta on that side, 1 minus cos square theta, or you can say cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta. So this way you can form 2 more from this, also 2 more from there, total 9. 1 is equals to sec square theta minus tan square theta. Here generally students are making few mistakes that I want to show you what happens here. Actually it's tan square theta is equals to sec square theta minus 1. Generally many times what I had observed, that students are writing tan square theta is equals to 1 minus sec square theta. Then that is wrong, guys. Please keep that in mind. For here also 1 is equals to cosec square theta minus cot square theta, and you can write down cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta minus 1, and it's not 1 minus cosec square theta. Please keep that in mind. Here students are making mistakes. So let us start on sums. I am going to start with simple questions, and slowly we will extend the difficulty level or increase the difficulty level. So let us start with question number 1. Simple question. Let me write down 1 minus sin square theta into sec square theta equals to 1. We need to prove this LHS, left hand side, is equals to right hand side. So here different type of questions, in different type of questions you need to solve LHS and RHS also sometimes, but in 90% case we need to only solve LHS. In some question, 10% question, sometimes we need to solve RHS also to make them equal. So here you can say 1 minus sine square. Square is there, so here we are going to use identity. We know that square everywhere, when square is there, all identities are there, we can use. So 1 minus sine square will give you cos square theta, and sec square theta, that will give you 1 plus tan square theta. But we are not going to use that. Please keep that in mind. We have to make some you can say arrangement in such a manner that we get 1. If I will convert this sec square theta as 1 plus tan square theta, then we are not going to get the answer. So what we are going to do? There are two things we can convert. We can convert this sec square theta as 1 plus tan square theta also, or directly the relationship between sec and cos is also there. Instead of this sec square theta, I can write down 1 by cos square theta also. How? Let me tell you. Since first here 1 minus sine square theta is equals to cos square theta, so we had converted that, and here sec theta equals to 1 by cos theta. This is the relationship. So I try to convert both this into cos, so I will get answer. That's why I have converted both into this only. What happens generally, student convert this also, then this into 1 plus tan square theta, and they are not getting answer. Here now easily we can cancel this cos square theta into 1 by cos square. This will get cancelled and you will get RHS as 1. So now LHS equals to RHS. So this way easily you can solve this type of question, but you need to understand that you need to find out solutions of this two in such a manner that you can cancel or multiply, or again you are getting some identity. That type of questions we are going to solve further also. So let us start with question number 2. Cos square theta into 1 plus tan square theta equals to 1. So here also same type of thing. Cos square, we can convert this cos square as 1 plus sine square theta, and this 1 plus tan square is equals to sec square theta, right? But we are not going to do. We need to see that out of this cos I can get sec, and out of this also I can get sec. So I am going to convert both this into sec only. How? Cos, let me write down, cos theta is equals to 1 by sec theta. So can I write this cos square as 1 by sec square theta? Okay, and 1 plus tan square theta, since 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta. So can I write here also sec square theta? Yes. So this is our LHS part, and this sec square will get cancelled, and RHS, that is our RHS. You can see easily we had completed. So these are few simple question, one steps only we are going to do. Now slowly I am going to increase the difficulty level, moving towards question number 3. Now cos square theta plus 1 upon 1 plus cot square theta. Actually the video is getting a little bit longer, so I am going to solve up till here only, this third question, and then more question I am going to show in part 2. Okay, so let us cos square theta plus 1 by 1 plus cot square theta equals to 1. Now again same type of thing. So 1 plus cot square will give you cosec, 1 by cosec will give you sine. Okay, and cos square plus sin square equals to 1. So now here we are not going to change anything in this cos square. Let us see how. Actually first you need to make some imaginations in your mind that what we can get. 1 plus cot square will give you cosec, 1 by cosec will give you sine, and sine plus cos. So that type of imagination you need to make in your mind. Cos square theta will remain same only. 1 upon 1 plus, since you can write down since 1 plus cot square theta will give you cosec square theta. So 1 by cosec square theta. Now cos square theta, and here 1 by cosec, since 1 by cosec theta equals to sine square theta. So plus sine square theta, sorry here square, if I will put square then I will get square here. If 1 by cosec then only sine, but here square is there. So now we know, since again sin square theta or cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to 1. So I'm going to keep 1 here, and this way easily we can solve LHS equals to RHS. So here few basic questions were there, guys. In part 2 I will increase the difficulty level and we are going to solve more such questions. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. And guys, I am taking free live classes on Google Meet also for my students. You can join me there by just messaging me at the red CHETAN PTL1. This is my Telegram ID. You can message me there and I can add in my group, and you can come in my free live classes also. Thank you so much. All the students of India, USA, Canada, UK, Australia and other countries can join me for more videos.